Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors out here in Aurora. Neighborhood is called Tallgrass. Just doing some inspections. This one is for those of you who, for whatever reason, don't want to climb on the roof. Got a couple of things I can show you. Let's turn this camera around here. Alright, so we've got the front porch railing here. And over here on this side, down at the bottom, got 1, 2, 3 little spots that look like they were hit by something, right? And then along this edge here, 1, 2, 3, 4, a whole bunch right there. Just the whole edge kind of looks not like something scraped it that way, but a whole lot of things hit it this way, okay? And then there's some telltale signs that are really only done by hail. Like this right here. Let's see if we can get that focus in on there. There we go. See how 1, 2, 3 right there? They're cracks that are round like that, especially if we can get this one right here is a little big. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there we go. See how there's a crack there and a crack there. That was one big hail. But especially if we can get concentric circles like that, and even if they're only half circles, see, there's a ton in this shot right here. If we can focus again. Hold on, see if we can focus here. Oh, a little out of focus, sorry about that. But that is what paint damage looks like from hail. So, see, there's a couple of cracks right there. Nice one right there. And it really doesn't matter what size they are because that paint will eventually chip and crack further and wash off, and then you've got exposed wood. And, you know, rain, sleet, snow, it's all going to, let me turn around from this on there. It's all going to damage your wood and you're just going to have to get it painted again. So that's something else you can look for is paint damage, either to railings or the siding on your house. Another thing you can look for is on your downspouts. Mostly you'll see gutter damage, but on your downspouts, see a dent there, another dent there. This one honestly could have been hail, might not have been hail, because that looks like something hard and metal scraped against the downspout, and it's so close that who knows if that's hail or not. But that is what hail looks like. So again, just a couple more signs where if you see things like that around your property, but you don't want to climb up on the roof, give a contractor a call and get a recommendation from them whether or not you should be calling your insurance. Have a good one.